everybody. How are you all? I hope you're all well, and I hope you're having a fantastic week so far. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, and I also have a global home business. It's spanning about 6 or 7 countries, and it's absolutely in growth mode right now. We have started with a bang. I'm absolutely loving it. I love building from home, and I also love helping people to build their businesses on social media. I'm a coach with the Higden Group, 100K in a Circle. So guys, as you're hopping on, say hello. Tell me where you're coming in from. I want to talk to you about something that's really trending right now. It's a new social media app called Clubhouse, and it's absolutely going bananas. Like, everybody wants an invitation. So if you've heard about Clubhouse, drop the word Clubhouse. But if you haven't, say, I haven't. Jennifer Wilson, how are you, girl? You're an absolute rock star. Love you. So guys, let's talk about Clubhouse, right? Because Clubhouse is this new audio-only app. What does that mean? That means that you will only hear, hey Susanna, how are you? That you will only hear people speak. You see people's profile pics, right? But you only hear them speak. So you see them, but you can't physically see them live. So it's like podcasting with a stage, right? It's live podcasting. And let me tell you, this is the future. This is the future of what collaboration and developing, relationships and networks in business will look like. I heard about 3 or 4 years ago that podcasting was going to be the way to go. That was the growth area, as well as email lists. Now, I heard the email lists again today, and already, as you can see, the wave of the podcasting has started. This is the next level type of podcasting where you can share your content live, right? And let me tell you, it is highly addictive. I'm just going to tell you this. If you're building a business at home and you have a strict DMO, please block out some time, because you will be highly distracted. There are so many celebrities on there. I was actually in a room listening to a podcasting room. There was some like influencers in podcasting, and Paris Hilton was listening in the same room. Like, she was listening the whole time. I'm going, what is going on here? If you check out my stories, you will see that I took a snapshot. So how do you get onto Clubhouse? How do you get onto Clubhouse? Because everybody's asking me for an invitation. I have to say I'm out of invitations right now, but I've got a very long list of people wanting to get on there. So basically, you go onto the App Store. It's currently available only on the App Store, and it has a black and white photo of a man right now, right? And so basically you download that, you can install it, and you can also reserve your username. If you have an Apple iPhone, you can do that right now. Even though you don't have an invite, you may as well get and reserve your username, because when it does go mainstream, it is going to go bananas, right? Like, the uptake right now it's phenomenal. Like, that they were at 100,000 people at the start of December, and I think now they've just ticked over 1 million people. So it's been such a staggering amount of growth in such a short period of time, right? So here's the thing: you download the app, reserve your username. Once you find a friend, even if you really want to get the ASAP hot nugget tip, why don't you put a post on your social media and say, hey, who's on Clubhouse right now, right? And see which one of your friends is on Clubhouse, and message every single one of them and say, hey, do you have a spare invite, right? And the reason why they would want to be giving you an invite is really, really crucial, because when you take someone's invitation, it actually stays on your profile who's actually giving you the invite forever, right? So that's free advertising for them forever. So it's in their best interest to be giving away as many invites as possible. So that's a gold nugget. If you really want to get in there, I would be putting a post up saying who's on Clubhouse right now, That's all you would put, and then message them privately and ask them if they have a spare invite. So that's number 2. So contact them, reserve your username, right? Find a friend who is on Clubhouse, right? And get them to give you an invite, right? And like I said, their name stays permanently on there. Now, how do you use Clubhouse? Because a lot of people say, should I be on Clubhouse? Yes, you should be on Clubhouse, because this is the future, right? Not only right now do you have access, like I've been listening to just about every single day. Grant Cardone is in there, even though I'm in a separate coaching group with him right now, but Grant Cardone's been in there, Ty Lopez has been in there, Gary Vaynerchuk has been in there, Damon Johns has been in there, like so many high-level influence. Tony Robbins has been in there. And what they do is they go into like 7-figure rooms, and there'd be like 5 or 6 of them, and all they do, they're basically in a room. It's called a room, right? And they're on a stage, so to speak, not a physical stage, it's just like up the top of the screen. And then you're in the audience, and then they invite people to ask questions. So you can ask them anything about business and strategy and how you can, leverage their knowledge, so that way then you can apply whatever advice they give you to fast track your success, right? You can also host your own room and start providing value to the marketplace, start building a following. And let me tell you, if you're building specifically on Instagram, you want to get on Clubhouse, because one of the main ways that you connect with people is via Instagram, because right now Clubhouse doesn't have a messenger function, so they connect with Instagram and or Twitter. So that way you can connect with people. So naturally, most people are on Instagram. So you follow them on Instagram and you message them, and that's how you build relationships. I've built so many relationships since I've started at Clubhouse. It's been incredible. So number 1, download the app if you've got an Apple iPhone. Number 2, reserve your username. Number 3, find a friend who's got a spare invite and see if they can give you that invite, knowing that their name will be permanently placed on your profile forever. So it's free advertising. Number 4, block out time. You will want to be in there. Like I put it actually as part of my daily method of operation, because if like Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, they're giving out information, I take down notes and I implement. Like it's part of my personal development every day to take on the energy, the feedback, the strategy from 7, 8, 9-figure earners who have already achieved what I want to achieve. So that would be my best advice to you. Soak up the knowledge, like leverage. People pay $10, $20, $30,000 to go speak, to go listen to these guys speak, and you're getting them for free, right? So that is the reason why you want to get in there. If you love following, if you love implementation and strategy, and you're on a journey of growth like I am, you want to grow really quickly, you want to be on Clubhouse, right? If you're building your Instagram following, you want to be on Clubhouse, because that is a great way to really tap into high net worth individuals, people that are really playing big at life, and following them on Instagram. There are people I've never even heard of before that are like just crushing it right now. And I've connected with them and started building a relationship with them on Instagram. It's been amazing. Such a massive revelation for me, right? And so I highly recommend that right now, because it's in beta phase, meaning that it's not available to the mainstream, it's invitation only. Get in now, start doing the work, get your own rooms going, start providing value, start creating a following, get in and network with people, start creating communications, ask for advice. I've just connected with so many, I'm on a 9-figure earners mailing list, and he gives me all his Clubhouse notes. He gives me his Clubhouse notes. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Like this is someone that's playing really big. He's 9 figures, and he writes down notes and then he gives them away. Can you believe that? Amazing. So guys, I want to give you guys, I said to myself, I know that this is going to be a very, very big thing. So for the next 3 days, I'm going to give you some Clubhouse gold nuggets. So this is number 1. And what I want to do, I have created a getting started on Clubhouse PDF, right? How to set up your profile, what you should be doing when you first get in there, how to get your profile picture up, all of that sort of stuff. If you want that, if you do want that Clubhouse getting started PDF that I put together, in the comments, or you can DM me, just put Queenie, right? Because it is aligned with my brand. So just put the word Queenie and I will actually get that out to you ASAP. It is really easy. And the next 3 days, I'm going to teach you all the basics, the fundamentals of Clubhouse, how to do an elevator pitch, right? That's another thing that I'm going to be working on, to teach you guys how to create your elevator pitch. So when you're invited on stage to actually ask questions of these big earners, how to condense your opening elevator speech down to 30 seconds, right? This is really important stuff because you only get a short window of time to actually make an impression on someone that could potentially change your life, right? So for the next 3 days, it's all Clubhouse. I'm going to give you all the goods, all the nuggets, right? And of course, as soon as you get into Clubhouse, you need to follow me because I'm going to be pouring out content in there, at Elsa Morgan, and I'm pretty easy to find, right? I'm the only Elsa Morgan at the moment, but it is a lot of fun. I highly recommend that if you do want to build a business, if you do want to develop some high net worth relationships, and you do want to be part of the next generation of the way that we collaborate and build relationships and network and build, this is the way it's going, through podcasting, meeting audio only, and also email lists as well, and YouTube. I got so many nuggets today that I'm just like going, oh my goodness, right? It is worth getting an invite right now while it's in beta phase and getting access to these amazing, incredible speakers that you would pay tens and 20,000. And it is highly addictive because they give you nuggets that you just go, wow. Like, let me tell you, let me just see if I can give you a quick nugget. Look, I've been writing notes and notes and like notes and notes and notes while I've been in there, right? It's just been pretty incredible. It's just, anyway, I won't go into it. I'll actually save it for the next 2 lives. See, I'm just so excited. So guys, drop the word Queenie if you want the PDF on how to get started at Clubhouse once you get there, how to set up your profile, your photo, all of that sort of stuff, how to set up your bio, which is really important because this is what's going to help people to determine straight away whether they want to connect with you and follow straight away. Looking forward to adding some value over the next 3 days, including today. And of course, if you do have any questions, please feel free to send me an send me a message on Facebook, and I'll get back to you. Have a great night, guys. I'll talk to you soon.